Hi, it's Neil again. Welcome to my family room. I have the Jland massager. It's a pulse massager kind of thing. Let's check this out and see what it looks like inside. So here I open it up, and what you see as I'm seeing it, it's got, I guess, just the bubble wrap to pack it in. Got a manual here for the Jland massage gun. That's what they call them, a massage gun. It looks like a gun. It's got different tips for the different things. So let's look at it and see what it looks like. I picked this one because it looked like it was like carbon fiber looking, even though I'm sure it's just a plastic. Yeah, it's just a plastic cover, but it really looked cool with that whole carbon fiber kind of look. I have a bike that looks like that. I mean, the bike actually is carbon fiber, but it was really cool looking. So I definitely wanted something that looked like that just because I'm into that look right now. My car was carbon fiber before too. But so let's check this out. It looks like there's the switch and the battery in the back, and it looks like here we can take off the battery pack if we needed to charge it somewhere where there's not a lot of space or pack it somehow. But chances are I will leave it connected all the time. Let's see, how did it go again? Okay, how did I do this? There. Okay, so there's that, and then there's the on-off button and the charger on the bottom. You can see here, so I'll turn it on. The little light goes on, letting me know it's ready to go. On the back, it looks like it's got like a timer and the power level, so I'm just gonna turn it off right now, and we'll see what other stuff it comes with. So here's the charger for it. So you can see it's just got a little round plug for it. Can't tell, 25 volts, so it's a weird kind of voltage, not anything standard. Looks like it's just extra rubber things for the tools. And let's see all the different tools here. So we have this one. So this one looks like a chisel. So probably to get really into some deep crevices if you're really trying to dig into your back or something. Seems like that one would be pretty painful. This one's kind of cool. I like this one because this one goes around your spine. So it's made to go around your spine so you can get both sides of the spine all at once. I need somebody here to be doing this to me. This is kind of a roundedy flat thing, which kind of gives it a nice general one for places. Probably good for like the shoulders and stuff. And here's kind of another one like that, but this one's a little bit flatter. So for some flatter areas, maybe thighs or something. This one's an interesting one. It's kind of like a little hook. No idea what that one's for. I'm curious. I'm gonna look it up here, so let's see what it is. The little hook one. Kind of funny. Oh, here it is. Finger-shaped massager. So I guess it's really to get into some super deep crevices, like a finger, yeah, jamming it in there. I probably won't use that. Same with this one here. It's another like really pokey one that, I mean, I'm not into the super heavy-duty ones. This one here is a good general one. It's like a round, it's not really too squishy, but it's foam ball. And then this is my favorite because it's kind of a really squishy like one. So let's see how it works inside of here. So basically you push it on, and then we'll turn it on. Right now it's on a fairly slow speed. This is like speed 1. I don't know if you can tell because the speed of the camera, but I'll increase the speed and it really goes fast. So it's going up to speed 23, 24, 25, 30. So that's the highest speed there, and that thing is just going nuts. I don't think I would use it like that. I don't think I'd want to be blown away. So like a 10. So here, let's see what the 10 feels like. So I like this tip because this tip isn't too hard, and because I'm fragile. But oh, this feels pretty good. So anybody wants to just volunteer to come over and help me with the review or something like that, we can give me a massage. Oh, that feels good. So yeah, I like it. So there, that one's good. It'll probably be good for muscles and stuff too. Yeah, I'd probably just leave this one on them probably all the time. But then you can see it's kind of counting down on the back there. And I'll turn it off. And I can turn it off here, and it's nice. It comes in this case and this little velvet pouch kind of thing. I mean, it's not a really fancy pouch, but it's good to keep all the tips in so they don't get lost. I like this, and it's a nice, pretty compact case that holds the charger. It holds everything all in this little case. And I didn't take off this too. But so everything fits in a pretty convenient case. I've seen some of these other ones where they have the really big cases, but this is a nice small case for the big tool because they don't separate all the tools individually and whatnot. It's got a little section up here too. So put the manual back in there. Probably don't need that, but that's pretty cool. So I like this one. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up because it seems like it's really well made. I like the whole carbon fiber look, and the carrying case is really nice, so you can take it with you. It'd be good for travel, or if you're like a massager. I know a lot of the hair places now, the hair salons, they give you a little massage at the end. If you're a hairstylist or something, this would be probably a pretty nice one to get to give the person a little massage at the end. But it's the Jland massage gun. And I'm giving this one a thumbs up from me because I really like it. And be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Trying to get my views up here and my subscribers. So that's it. Thanks for watching.